Da, 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 da. Are you good? Are you good? All right. Oh, any bee experts out there? Because we're having some problems with some bees. And I think they're bumblebees. I don't think they're red yellow jackets or anything like that, but I want to show you. Got to be quick. All right, around here. This is where they normally fly around here. But we've had a guy come out, a pest guy, and he's sprayed everything. And he's checked underneath here. You can't see a nest. And he said they're not coming up from the ground. They're not yellow jackets, they're bumblebees or some type of bee. I don't know, I'm not an expert. But every time we walk past here, they get mad. And they do get mad. I can tell a mad bumblebee. But obviously, it's a bit cold, so they're not flying around here at the minute. But when we walk past here, they get really, really mad. And I can't see a nest at all. So if you can tell me, I don't know whether they like this sort of stuff. I'm not sure. But I've told them, I'm not going to steal it. They can have it. They're quite welcome to have whatever it is that they fancy here. But yeah, they just get mad. Like I said, they're not out at the minute. So anybody can tell me what their problem is. That'd be fantastic. And he sprayed stuff all underneath here. So it's not going to have an effect yet. He said in about 3 or 4 days, but they're still bumbling about. But I don't know. Anyway.
Healthy.
You're healthy? Go on then. Go in there. Sorry. Her dress is really torn up anyway. It's going to be thrown away. That's the reason why I did it. I wouldn't have done it if it was new or anything like that. But there you go. There you go. Off-ski. Yeah, off-ski. Tada. So what this is, I'm going to show you. It's like a charcuterie box, subscription box. They've just sent it to me. It's called Appyhour. It's a company called Appyhour, A-P-P-Y. Never heard of them. Never heard of them. But it's got your cheese, your crackers, your meat, got all that. This is the March box. This is the Irish box. So it's got some nuts in there. But we're going to have a look. We're going to have a look. I'm going to act like, I mean, obviously they've sent it to me, but I'm going to act like a normal customer. Like, it's come to my house, and well, it basically is come to my house. What I'm trying to say is I'm just going to act like a normal customer. We're going to go in blind. Me and you are going to go in blind in there and see if it's good or not. But apparently these are new. It's a new company, just started. So I'll have to do a little bit more research on it. But yeah, we're going to take a look. You like that key?
Yeah, I would like it.
Whoa. Why'd you like this key?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful?
Yeah.
Wow, let's take a look at the key. Wow.
That is key?
We've got to take the key, my child.
Oh.
You take the key.
The key?
You keep it safe.
It's you?
Go now. Go. I'll catch up. Go, my child, go. I have no idea. Got a clue. Anyway, I've got to get this box sorted. I hope this is good. So obviously, I mean, I've already opened this. Obviously, I have. So comes with a nice little. I love paper when I get stuff like this. I love paper. Anything new, the smell, just paper, but it smells good. We are so grateful to have you on board. So we've got that. And what the box I have here, obviously it's March, St. Patrick's Day, Taste of Ireland. So this is the Taste of Ireland box. It's fine, it's okay. All right, this is what we got. This is the Irish box. So we've got some beef prosciutto. Very nice. Frank Pood. Dried Bing cherries. Yeah. We have got some roasted walnuts. Nice packaging. I've got to admit that. Mustard for cheese. Very nice. Can't wait to get into that. We've got some nice crackers, oat cake, our original light sweet biscuits. Very nice. Now for the cheeses, well, no, we've got some meat as well. We have got some Toscano jumbo. I guess salami. Looks nice. Also, it comes with brie, some brie. Some Irish cheddar cheese with porter beer. Very nice. We've also got some Prosecco. Yeah, Prosecco. It says Prosecco, drunken cheese. Wow. And last, we have some Irish farmhouse cheese, handmade. Very nice. Right, I've laid everything out, and I'm pretty impressed. The amount of food is quite good, and I was opening the meat, and the smell just poof, just hit me. Beautiful. So I'm going to put it over here so you can have a good look at it. What I actually do like is the packaging is quite easy to open, and then they've got these little instructions there. I got to admit that is a nice looking. That's a nice looking spread, that is. And like I said, when I was opening that meat, the smell just hit you, and it's a beautiful smell, really good. You can tell it's good quality. You really can. The crackers are beautiful, and everything came intact. The crackers didn't break or anything like that. I don't know whether that's luck or not, but it's packaged well. It really is packaged well. And like I said, good quality. Also, it's a subscription box. And they do monthly themed boxes from various countries, like from France, Spanish box, French box, Italian box. And if you're interested in hosting parties and stuff like this, then this would be right up your alley. You know, the olives, the crackers, the cheese, the little spreads like that. Yeah. Looks good. So I'm just going to go in it like I'm a customer. I'm going to give you my honest opinion. I can't wait to try that mustard though. And let's have a feast. So these are the dried Bing cherries. Sweet, slightly tart as well. They're very nice. The roasted walnuts. Good quality. Nice. Salami. I love salami. Oh yeah. Oh, that is beautiful. Just by eating the roasted walnuts and the cherries, you can tell that's quality. Really nice. All right, beef prosciutto. Oh yeah. So these are oat cake crackers. So I'm going to detect that these are quite sweet. I can see them really going well with the mustard, the cherries. So I'm going to make a little cracker thing. A little bit of mustard, salami. This is my favorite stuff. I love it. It's got a really smokiness to it. It's just really, really nice. And I'm just going to try first some of these Bing cherries with that. That is delicious. That mustard is delicious. It really is. And it goes so well with them crackers because them crackers are nice and sweet and a little bit of the tartness with the Bing cherries. Really, really nice. But this to me the beef prosciutto is the star. But everything, you can just tell it's quality. You can. Yeah, get one. You'll be silly not to. Seriously, get a box. Just grab a box. I think you can cancel anytime. You can, but I don't think you will once you've eaten this, because everything on this board is quality, right down to the roasted walnuts. And those Bing cherries, which I've never had before, are absolutely delicious. The mustard's delicious. But the star of the show for me is that beef prosciutto. Really, really good. Everything's fantastic. It really is good.
What is that?
Yeah, do you want a cracker?
It's good.
Yeah, try it. See what you think.
It's good.
Excellent. Well, all right, I've been trying to find out how much they cost, and they come in two sizes, medium, large, and this one's a medium. This one's $80. So, you know, you do as you do. I think it's worth $80 for the amount of quality. I can tell this is quality ingredients. Beautiful. And the large one comes at $100. So, you know, you decide. You can cancel anytime. Just get a box, try it out, and if you're impressed, carry on. But I'm sort of curious to see what the other boxes are, different themed boxes, because this is a great idea. It's new, and I think it'll do very, very well. So yeah, grab your box, try it out for yourself, because I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. And get some of this. This is beautiful. Do you want to try that?
No, I like that.
You haven't tried it?
No.
Okay.